Probably not the best choice of footwear.
Yeah. Are we taking ages, cousin?
Hi everyone, welcome to Vlogmas Day 17. It's the second last day of Vlogmas today, and we're currently on our way to try and find a gingerbread house because I'm not giving up. So we're going to Morrison's, we didn't go yesterday, and there's a couple other places we could try.
Oh, more than one shop?
Well, Morrison's, I'm half of them, and Lidl. So we're going to try there. We went on a really nice walk this morning, which you'll have already seen. And hopefully we get a gingerbread house, because if we don't, then we don't really have anything else to do today. Morrison's didn't have the gingerbread house, but we found instead these gingerbread robin making kit things. So what we've done is we've bought 2 of them, and we're going to try and make our own gingerbread house. And we've got some icing for them. Could you take this, please?
Yes.
Got some ham for lunch and some soup. And then we've got some marshmallows, some Smarties, and some wine gums.
Oh my god.
Yeah, so hopefully this turns out well.
I'm sure
and
it
maybe this will be more entertaining.
Yeah, because it will go wrong, so I can't wait for it. Whoa!
That was weird.
Did you get us on camera?
No, I didn't. I just clicked go when it did that. The lights just turned off. Spooky. We're making the gingerbread house now. Sorry, the lighting's not the best. So in this pack we get this, and we get some black icing to decorate.
Oh my god, we've not got enough.
Oh,
How much do we need? 60 grams.
Don't we use Chico? What a disaster. Already we're hitting a bump in the road. Look what I've got in my pocket.
Is that your Secret Santa?
Yeah. Look at this. This is when we chose our Secret Santas at the flat. It has been washed. Obviously my doggies have been washed. That's why this is kind of
You are manky.
No.
I know for a fact you've not washed it.
Yes, I have. Also, I just put up my Vlogmas video today. It was a wee bit late. It's the first one that I haven't managed to get up at 3. But I got it up at 3:45, so I feel as though that's alright, isn't it?
3.
The pack also came with these sweets.
Does anyone want them? Because we don't.
Yeah, we don't want them. Is there a TV show called Outer Banks?
I think so.
Because I looked at my jumper today and I was like, so
Ah,
that's a TV show. Never seen it, but I feel as though it is.
I love Chico.
Why is it so dark?
Where's Chico? Is it like burnt sugar or something?
Looks like tar.
What are you doing?
Now we're just going to melt everything together, and we'll check it back in with you after that's done. Now that this is...
No, it's not simmering. Nowhere near simmering.
Okay, well once it's simmering,
Yeah.
we're going to add the
That's incredible.
sachets of
Watch it's open.
gingerbread mix that they gave us, and then you leave it for 5 minutes and apparently it turns into a dough.
No, you mix it into a dough, but then you have to let it cool. You can tell she's not a baker, eh?
I really want that bake-off box. I thought it was always $6.
Do you want to have that? You can
And I
cheap
really
for that.
want it, but I just don't know if £20 is like
Take your spatchy.
a lot. But you do get like a cake stand. Don't know. Bake Off, do you want to actually just send me one for free? I have talked about you a couple times in the videos, and I will advertise the box.
Promise.
You don't even have to pay me. I'll take it as a gift. Because I really want it, but I just don't really want to spend £20 on it a month. I could just go to like Poundland and buy a cake stand. We're rolling out our dough now. Oh, you're a wee bit dusty. Here is our deconstructed house. Got a wee tree there. Danny's making a chimney right now. Hi, Clara. They're just about to come out now.
How are they looking?
I think they look good. Right? I definitely made the roof way too small. Okay, we're decorating now. Hi, Koala.
So if I could plonk it there, you sit here.
Oh! Do we care that it's squint?
Nah, you need to be strong to do this.
Okay.
But thankfully,
You don't need to go over it twice. I think there's enough.
I am.
No.
A pesto jar.
Yeah, 'cause-
This icing is delicious.
Are you eating Smarties?
You open them?
You do not like Smarties.
Right, it's showtime.
This is awful.
So if you're just tuning in, Juliet Games is stressed. It's not going the way she wanted it to. Fill them up with pink ones. Eat them. Ah!
Okay, here's our finished gingerbread house.
It doesn't look that bad.
No, it doesn't. If you just don't look at the back.
Yeah, show them the back.
Oh my lord!
I'm just making myself some dinner right now. It's quite late, so I wanted to make something really quick. So I'm just having pasta with some cheese grated on top. I think after dinner, I'm going over to Danny's. Hopefully we'll watch a Christmas film, because what's the date today? It's the 21st, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. And I just feel like I don't feel that Christmassy. And it's making me really sad. I don't know why I don't. Like, I'm really excited for Christmas, I just don't feel like it's almost Christmas. So I'd like to watch a Christmas film. I've never seen The Polar Express. I've heard mixed reviews. I've heard it's like really creepy. So maybe we'll watch that. I kind of feel like watching Elf. I haven't even watched Elf this year. I feel like I just have been slacking on watching Christmas films. I want to watch The Holiday too. I love The Holiday. Do you know what? One Christmas film I really don't like that I feel as though everyone loves is Love Actually. Like, I just don't know why I really don't like Love Actually. I don't know if maybe I need to watch it again and then I'll like it, but I remember watching it like a couple times and I was like, this is just not a good film. But obviously that's just my opinion. I cannot stop sneezing and my throat and my nose is so itchy. Since I've moved back home for Christmas, I just have such bad allergies like every single day and it's driving me insane. And I think I'm allergic to something, but I just don't know what it is. I thought it might be dust. I think it sounds so dramatic right now. Like, I know when I'm editing this I'm gonna be like, oh my god, Julia, shut up. But yeah, I think it might be dust because there's not really any dust in Danny's flat and I used to react quite badly to dust. Because Danny's flat's just so mouldy and damp, it's literally the opposite of here, which is quite dry, so there's more dust. Anyway, I'm gonna stop complaining and eat my dinner, and then I'll maybe, oh, I hope I've put enough pasta on, and then I'll maybe vlog when I get to Danny's. Oh no, I've got 14 seconds.
Oh my god.
I hope that you guys all enjoyed this video. I'm at Danny's house now, and I'll see you tomorrow for the last day of vlogmas.
We still got 4 seconds to play with.
Oh.